Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can open your phpMyAdmin database manager using your XAMPP control panel. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to open your phpMyAdmin database manager using your XAMPP control panel, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to open your XAMPP control panel. But if you don't have your XAMPP yet, I have a full and easy tutorial video on how to download it. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So just watch that video and then come back here once you already have your XAMPP. And now that you have your XAMPP, just go and open it. And now that you've opened your XAMPP, the next step is very easy. All you need to do is just click the start button of both the Apache and MySQL. This is very important guys, because if you don't start these two, you won't be able to open phpMyAdmin. So all you gotta do is just click the start button for both of this. And now that you've started your Apache and SQL, we will now proceed to the next step. So for the next step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device, since this is where we will open our phpMyAdmin. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to type this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly, since if you entered a single character wrong, you won't be able to open your phpMyAdmin. And once you're sure that you typed it all correctly, you can now click enter on your keyboard. And after that, there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now opened your phpMyAdmin just like that, so you can now start making and managing your website. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.